We are covering PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, you have Power BI report hosted on the powerbi.com that displays expenses by department for department managers. The report contains a line chart that shows expenses by month. You need to enable user to choose between viewing the report as the line chart or the column chart. The solution must minimize development and maintenance effort. What should you do? Option A, enable report readers to personalize visuals. Option B, create a separate report page for users to view the column chart. Option C, add a column chart, a bookmark and a button for the users to choose a visual. Option D, create a mobile report that contains a column chart. The correct answer is option A. Next, you have two Power BI report named Report A and Report B that uses a distinct color palette. You are creating a Power BI dashboard that will include two visuals from each report. You need to use a consistent dark theme for the dashboard. The solution must preserve the original colors of the report. Which two actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents the part of a solution. Option A, upload a snapshot. Option B, for the browser, set the color preference to dark mode. Option C, while pinning visual to dashboard, select use destination theme. Option D, select the dark dashboard theme. Option E, turn on tile flow. Correct answer is option C and D. Next, you have a data set that contains revenue data from the past year. You need to use anomaly detection in Power BI to show anomalies in the data set. What should you configure? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Chart type, line, pie, tree map. Chart configuration, select the show value as option, enable cross report drill through and populate the axis with a date. This is the correct answer, the ones highlighted with green color. Line from the table of chart type and populate the axis with a date field from the table of chart configuration. Next, you have a line chart that shows the number of employees in the department over time. You need to see the total salary cost of the employees when you hover over a data point. What should you do? Option A, add a salary to the drill through fields. Option B, add salary to the visual filters. Option C, add a salary to the tool tips. Correct answer is option C. Your company has employees in 10 states. The company recently decided to associate each state as one of the following three regions: East, West, and North. You have the data model that contains employee information by state. The model does not include region information. You have a report that shows the employees by state. You need to view the employee by region as quickly as possible. What should you do? Option A, create a new aggregation that summarizes by state. Option B, create a new aggregation that summarizes by employee. Option C, create a new group on a state column that's set to group type to list. Option D, create a new group to the state column and set the group type to bin. Correct answer is option C.